You better tell me that you love me. Tell me that you need me. Treat me like I'm everything you want and more. Tell me that I'm funny and sexy. If you don't, then honey, there's the door. You better tell me that I sparkle, that my eyes are diamonds. Tell me I remind you of Bridget Bardot. Treat me like a star of your show. If you don't, well, honey, 우리 둘의 face 어려운 face. Hey, hey, 꿈꿔 make up so happy to see you. What you say, what you say, what you say. What you say, what you say, what you say. What you say, what you say, what you say. What you say, what you say. 비밀스럽게 나와 주고받은 사인 내게 달린 배우치 뜨거운 자주 언니가 마우란 별빛 조명을 켜.
My order, tonkatsu, sisig.
Kay Julia.
Ay po.
So, sarap. Time-lapse kunyari, be.
Uto-uto.
Normal base.
Uy, may flashlight.
Pero makubod. Mabutinat pa lang. Hulog-hulog. Naubos yung tinda ng ballpen ko kanina. Patay ka agad sa bira. Bala ng staple. Anong gusto mo? Kahit ano. Basta black. Tinta yung gusto mo. Kahit ano. Kahit ano.
You better tell me that you love me. Tell me that you need me. Treat me like I'm everything you want and more. Tell me that I'm funny and sexy. If you don't, then honey, there's the door.
Kanyang ano eh. Hindi niya na yata ito natapos. Aral-aral sila. Aral-aral. Saan ka boy?
Alam niyo ang malas ngayon ni Tan kasi reporting niya intact, tapos may quiz, tapos
MF,
sa ano,
tapos reporting mo.
dalawa reporting, isang quiz, di pa nakapasok sa basketball kanina. Siyempre priority ito, di ba?
Ito yung tax kasi yung iba.
Mahal siya ni Lord, hindi siya natuloy mag-report. Grabe yun.
MF na lang. Wala nga lang grades at ano, PE.
Revised rules on expense ratio regulatory changes. So first one,
Innovation is essential. So, advancement in artificial intelligence, blockchain, and machine learning are primary
Bulit
drivers
talaga
of
ng babae.
modern market shifts. And by staying updated on this updates,
Ang bilis makatulog.
we are being provided a significant competitive edge.
i-present sila kasama yung kanilang business plan sa Quare. Okay? So, our first topic, we should... Bye guys!
restaurant.
Ikaw may benta, di ba?
700 daw, Pep.
Ginagabi na po kami.
Meron ako pera eh. Ha? Buti ko may pera ako, pwede ako mag-abono. Nasa dito na. Pwede ano to? Meron pang dalawa. Pwede ako kita.
Shit! Ang itim namin.
Hindi ba madilim lang?
Ayun si Cheese Bill.
Bakit?
Wala lang. Parang...
Dito mo na yan. Alis tayo.
Baka mamaya pumunta yan dito.
Aesthetic ba yan?
Medyo unhygienic lang.
Hindi,
Oh,
hindi. Malinis yan.
Kasi mahirap.
Walang nagbe-bake na naka-gloves, no?
Ayun mo. Ay, wag din isama.
Magagas ka naman ng kamay. Oo.
Kakaligo lang. Gising mo muna sa bag mo.
Bumili ka na! Bibili si Joy Joy! Say hi! Hoy, bumili ka! Bumili ka? Tayo bumili to?
Bili ka na?
We!
You better tell me that you love me. Tell me that you need me. Treat me like I'm everything you want and more. Tell me that I'm funny and sexy. If you don't, then honey, there's the door.
Lahat na nandito pre-order ko.
Ay, bumili ka, te. Very good yan. Dami, no?
Wala ka lang?
Wala lang kaming kotse niya.
Oo.
Te, bibili ka, te. Bibili ka, te.
Wala lang akong extra.
Oh, isang piraso.
Mamaya. Kasi tinatanggal ko pera ko eh.
Hahantingin kita dyan, no?
Hindi ko pa kinukuha lahat ng order ko. Ayaw ko.
Buti lang. Wala akong pera. Saan ba yung spicy dyan?
Sana.
Yan, may rice mo kayo.
Tan.
Kanina to?
2 Aldrich.
Nakakang be?
Hindi. Anong rate mo? Sila Aldrich. Hindi mo naman papalit. Honest. Uy, meron na ako. 7. Ako 5 lang. O 4.
Wala kasing spicy, seaweed, and ano. Te, anong rate mo?
Ano, medyo matabang?
Ako 4. Anong rate mo?
5.
Haggard na kami. Saan ka laban ko muna tutan ha?
Gusto mo, balik mo na kayo dyan.
Tan! Julia! Wow!
Parang mas it depends po ma'am kung makakatanggap po ng complete na compensation. Natin, ano yung masaya natin. Kasi, hindi kasi natin paano po
Update guys, may nag-aaway.
Ganyan sila mo ngayon. Babae versus lalaki. Babae versus bakla. Ayos yung bako.
Huwag nag-usap sila, masungit na naman yun.
Maayos ko. Hindi, ano na lang tayo. Hindi pwede, wala pa kasi tayo. Yung 45, manon. Yung camera na ano.
Digital?
Hindi naman kailangan.
Yun lang yung scenario dito.
Montage.
Naubos na energy
Pati
na kanya naman tumaas din.
Wow! Wow! Monster! Uy, gagi. Wow! So, ano yung may stress na estudyante doon? Behind the scenes. Ah!
Kasi sasagutin ka niya ng ano,
Ayun.
I think I know someone. Wait, nakabisado mo na ba yung we need to seek a professional?
Shit, ang sungit. Ano nga siya, manager? Si Dana. Wow, tingin nga.
Grabe mo kasawin.
Ito si Lia.
Ito na.
Ay! Ito si Jana, ito si JM, ito si Yana, ito si Pau, ito si Ray, and ito si Lia.
I know.
Ako si... Go!
Guys, guess what I found?
What?
This an earning how I saw on TikTok. You invest, then poof, your money doubles in a week.
So hot! Okay, oh. Let me parcel. I believe earpods to. Ooh. Ito. Okay. Iba to. Oh my god, so cute, may stickers. %. Power on. For my second parcel. Okay. Ito yung kanina. And then... Okay. Next. Ooh.
What if we invest more? Just a little.
Kumita naman yan.
No scam, no money. Just patience and smart decisions. Filming date.
Thank you. It's swimming.
Mga artista na kami. Finally, we made real money. Lahat kami nang magkakasama. Finally. Kasi after na, finally, we made real money.
Oh.
All of my money. So good day, everyone. I don't understand the question.
Okay na, hindi kasama si King. Hindi kasama. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hindi ka kasama. Bye-bye. 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 Hi, say hi.
Hi, hi, ikaw, hi ka.
Say hi to my vlogging.
Hi ka, hi. Hi, hi.
I'm gonna eat bullets. Parang mali. Parang mali ako ng butas.
Hindi mo sarap ni daddy?
Hindi pa. Lolo ka ng sisiyo. Ang laki, tita, palit tayo. Tanggalin ko lang yung pula. Yan. Malaki ba yan? Ang laki din eh. Tingin. Ang laki. Ayoko niyan. Tignan niyo naman yung tito. Ang laki, ayoko yun. Yung isa mo baka maliit.
Mamo, bahala ka.
Ayan. Kasi tignan.
Honey, come on over here and sit down, real nice and close. Don't you worry, just wanna get a better look at you. Not that you didn't look good before. I'm gonna lay down my cards. Don't take this too hard. I don't want no more, 'cause that's been done. I need that up and above, that classic Casanova kind of stuff. You better tell me that you love me. Tell me that you need me. Treat me like I'm everything you want and more. Tell me that I'm funny and sexy. If you don't, then honey, there's the door. You better tell me that I sparkle, that my eyes are diamonds. Tell me I'll remind you of Marilyn Monroe. Treat me like the star of your show. If you don't, well, honey, there's the door. Phew, now that I got that off my chest, don't hold it against me. I gotta give it to you straight, 'cause that's what I